We're looking for the rare, red-nosed baboon. Let's go. Oh, that must be the rare, red-nosed baboon. Very careful not to startle the baboon. Very easily. Oh,
I'm looking for a friend.
baboons on safari too.
My friend has a red nose, a long tail, and white paws. Can you help me?
Of course we can. Let's use our binoculars.